Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of DeskDirector's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about how to enable DeskDirector Chat. The chat feature can be enabled or restricted in 3 ways: globally, by company, or by contacts. This flexibility allows you to decide if you want everyone to access it, limit it to specific companies, or fine-tune it for particular contacts. To grant global chat permissions, log into your admin console and navigate to Portal Then Settings. Click on the Permissions tab, check the chat option to enable it globally, and then save your changes. To grant chat permissions to a specific company, go to the Portal Then Companies page in your admin console. Search for the desired company, then navigate to the Permissions tab. Check the Chat option to enable it for that company and save your changes. To grant chat permissions to a specific contact, go to the Portal Then Contacts page in your admin console. Search for the contact you wish to give chat access to, then navigate to the Permissions tab. Check the Chat option to enable it for that contact, and save your changes. Note that permissions can be overridden in specific ways. Global permissions are superseded by company and contact permissions, while company permissions can be overridden by contact permissions. Contact-level permissions are always respected. For example, if chat is enabled globally but disabled for a particular contact, that contact will not be able to chat, while others will still have access. And that's how you enable DeskDirector Chat. That concludes today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time!